Hello my beautiful people. So in today's video I'm doing this look, which is inspired by the beautiful, the one, the only Adeline Morin's newest music video, which is insane because I used to watch Adeline's videos like when I was in high school. I loved her. She just is such a genuine person and she makes me smile every single time I see her videos. And all of the songs that she's come out with and the music videos have all been very, girl power, girl supporting girls, and I absolutely love that. I fell in love with this look. I don't know why I don't see more people on the internet doing this look, but I was like, alright, I'm gonna do it because it is beautiful. So she has the wet hair in the video, which I tried to recreate for you guys, along with all of these rhinestones, which... So if you want to see me recreate this look, I'm so proud to recreate because I absolutely love Adeline. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see the whole look, then please keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting out with no makeup. I just have some moisturizer on. So I actually this morning, woke up at 6 a.m. for a flight, got back home from Puerto Rico with like 4 hours of sleep. So I do look insane, but I told myself that I wasn't going to sleep today, so I was like, alright, let me just film a video. So we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start out with concealer, but I'm just going to go ahead and put on some concealer. And I think I'm going to keep the skin very light and simple because I really don't feel like putting on a full face of makeup right now. I also got sick on my trip. No, I didn't get the Rona. I know everyone is getting it now. I still have never gotten it, but never say never, I guess. But I am vaccinated, so I would hope I don't get it. But I'm just going ahead and going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying that everywhere. Now, I haven't tweezed my eyebrows in 2 weeks, so we're going to ignore eyebrows, we're going to ignore sleepiness, we're going to ignore all of it today, alright? Perfect. Alright, so I'm just blending in that concealer. It's in the shade Tan Neutral. It honestly matches me very well right now, and I'm very surprised by that. I honestly think I might just leave the skin just with that concealer. But I'm going to go ahead and take my setting powder from Laura Mercier. It's like that new tan-ish color that they came out with. What's the shade of it? Translucent Honey. It's the honey shade. The guy was like, girl, you can't get the normal one, you have to get the honey one. I was like, okay, I'll get the honey one. So I got it. Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming to town, Santa Claus is coming to town. Okay, so now that my face has been doused with powder, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my bronzer, and I'm just going to contour how I normally do. Adeline is a gorgeous queen. She probably doesn't even have to contour her beautiful dimples, bro. Also, don't forget to set your shoulder. It's very important in the process to set your shoulder as well. I'm a little stupid, bro. Oh my god. It's all over me. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine, guys. I'm just contouring. A little bit. I'm going to contour up here, and I'm just using the NARS Laguna bronzer, so technically it's like bronze contouring. I've noticed when I've used like gray tone contours on my skin personally, it looks absolutely horrible because I think I just have like very like olivey, yellowy skin. So I think when I put something too gray tone, I kind of just look like I'm dying, or I just rubbed my face in some dirt. So I try to avoid that. Well, actually, sometimes it's cute to look like you're dying. But right now, we're trying to look like a goddess. Alright, so she kind of does like a smoky situation happening. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade from the Juvia's Place. Alright, I'm just going to take some of that darker brown that I showed you and just kind of pack it just on this outer corner. I'm using a very tiny amount because I don't want to overdo it at all. And I'm just packing that into the brow bone and into the inner corner. It's a very kind of, not super dark, but it's a smoky brown eye that looks wet. Alright, something's going on with my eyelids. So I'm just gonna kind of, did that fix it? Well, now that that's, you know, done-ish, I don't even know what I did, I'm gonna go ahead and go back in with my bronzer and really bronze up that area with a different brush. Alright, then I'm gonna go ahead and go on my lower lash lines with the bronzer as well, just on the lower lash lines, and then a very tiny pencil like this, very tiny pencil. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown. Let's hope it works out this time. And I'm gonna dab it on my lower lash line, just where the lashes are, and I'm going to slightly line and wing out this outer corner as well. I need to do these eyebrows ASAP because they look horrible. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows now, and I'll be right back with you because my camera is dying. Alright, I look more like a mess than I did last time. Alright. Hi, welcome back. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Item Beauty Lid Glaze in the shade Desert Weekend. Now, I can't really see what's on her lid too much because it moves a little fast, but I think she has a little bit of shimmer. I could be completely wrong. If I'm wrong, then this is just pretend that this is an artistic take I'm taking. And blend it out. It looks like that. It is beautiful. I'm going in with my Item Beauty Brow Slash Lash Snack. And I'm going to go ahead and run it through my lashes. Just like that. I'm going to do the other side as well, and then I'm going to do my lower lashes just a little bit. She seems to have it, but I look crazy when I do my lower lashes. Maybe I'll do it. We'll see. Alright, so that's just one coat. I think I'm just going to do one coat on the top lashes, and I will be putting on falsies, so it'll make up for the lack of lashes that I have. So now I'm going to do some blush, and then we're going to move on. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade B, which is, you know, if you watch the video, it's kind of funny because, you know, she has honey and stuff, and, you know, bees make honey. So I'm just going to contour above my lip because I have tiny lips. And now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and put rhinestones all over my face. Alright, so I just have these rhinestones from Amazon. They're nail art rhinestones. And I'm just going to be using like these medium sizes and just putting them all over the place. I'm going to use a screenshot that I took of the beautiful Miss Adeline to copy it. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put them everywhere. I need to charge my camera, and I will be back when they're all over my face. Alright, so I have little rhinestones all over myself at the moment. I think I might add a couple more. I don't really know. We will see. But they're all over my eyes and everything. I have a pair of lashes here becoming tacky. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the NYX Professional Suede Matte Lip Liner in London. Also, to apply these rhinestones on my body, obviously I have the rhinestones here, I used eyelash glue, and I have like this little picker-upper thing that has a little wax end right here. It's specifically for rhinestones, and I have like some, I don't know what this is for. I guess moving them around. But I use this little wax end that looks crazy just to do that. What's missing? Lip gloss. Lip gloss, and then hair, and then we're all done. Alright, so for lips, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Item Beauty lip gloss in a jam. And that is the lip gloss on. And now I'm going to go ahead and let my hair down. And I'm going to spray it with some water. I'm going to put some oil in there, some conditioner, and just like sleek it back. Alright, so I went ahead and I just wet my hair. I look a little not so pretty, but Adeline Warren, when she does this, she looks like a freaking queen. So I'm just gonna keep trying to mess with my hair until it looks somewhat okay. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed hair and makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And no, she's actually not wearing any jewelry. I normally like to accessorize just as the celebrities I'm copying do, but she's not wearing any jewelry, so this is the whole look. Minus the beautiful yellow bathing suit that she's wearing because I do not own one. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.